Yo, yo, what is up, everybody? Thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't seen the first one, make sure to check out part one of the cheap bike build off 2026. In case you live your life how you want and you're not going to go check out part one, my name's Kevin, or Cheese Slice. Thanks so much for clicking on the video. Excited to show off what we got going with the build. Last we left off, we had cleaned it up, added the seat, and kind of took off all the things we didn't want. I really just wanted to get the video out there showing off the bike and talking about the build. This one you can expect to see the build get complete. Sorry, the bike is off camera right there. That's why I'm looking over there. But you can expect I'm going to throw on a brand new fork. So I had to swap over the crown race, do all that, a little bit of MacGyvering because I don't have all the right tools, and then set that up with the kind of the main attraction, or so I thought, Surly corner bars. Those are super sick. A really interesting kind of in between, if you're unfamiliar, drop bars and flat bars. So they have that drop section to them while also being, very, very wide. So that's super cool. I'm excited to show it off. Let's get into it.
So I found out through mainly luck that this rim is actually painted. So you can see it right there. Grab the other wheel. See, I started to sand it, and now it's starting to come up. You can start to see it right there. I thought that was just all, let's see if it'll focus. That was just all that was left. I thought it was, I thought that's all was left, but no, that's what's starting to peek out.
And that's about it. That is the build in its entirety. pretty proud of what I did so far. For about a week and a half of effort, I think grand total 162 or 172. I will correct myself if it's in either of those numbers, I guess, in the subtitles like I normally do. But yeah, great experience. It's been a lot of fun just connecting with people on Instagram and YouTube as well. I really appreciate all the support I've gotten. If you enjoyed the video, I would love if you let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of the bike is. Feeling pretty blessed. I feel like I got a lot of good parts this build, and I'm excited to kind of take the experiences I've gotten from this and put it into my builds going into the rest of the year. So look forward to talking to you down below in the comments. Again, let me know what your favorite piece was, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.